Another beautiful morning. All is set now. We are on our way to the market. You know, in Ivory Coast, they are more into fashion, beauty stuff. So today we are going to do my brows and my lashes in the market. This is the first shop. Here we are going to be fixing my lashes. She is going to fix a straight lash for me such a way that it's going to look like a mink lash. I don't know what are the types of lashes. See the one that they singly put them on the lashes. No? I also noticed one thing. Usually I know that with straight lashes they are put on top of the eyelashes, but with this one it was put beneath my lashes. I don't know if you realized it. Let's see the process again. You see she fixed it beneath the lashes. So the trick in achieving this is to put the glue beneath the lashes. After putting the glue beneath the lashes, then you put the lashes under. So you get your natural lash on top of the strip lash. Another thing I noticed was that if the strip lashes are placed under the original lashes, they last longer than when it is being placed on top of the original lashes. This is because when the strip lashes are put on top of the original lashes, it is very easy for it to get into contact with water, thereby destroying the lashes. But if it is otherwise, it can last very long. We are done with the lashes. I'll let you see how it's looking at the latter part of the video. We are at our next shop, and here we're going to tint our brows, and how he does it is very amazing, which you would love. So first he starts by trimming my brows so that he gets a perfect shape for it. I had to let him know that I don't want it too tiny. He shouldn't shape my brows too tiny. I'm admiring my new braids from this angle, and it's so nice. You guys, what do you think about it? My skin is also skinning. You guys, can you see my lashes from this angle? It looks so real, like so natural. Yeah, that is what we're talking about. The next thing he's going to do is to apply a semi-permanent dye to my brows. What he's using for the tinting is henna, and he's going to use that to define and enhance my brows. He applies it in very little quantity, very little quantity on my existing brows, and then waits and see what he does to it. He's finally done with the application of the henna on my brows. Now he uses cotton bud to do the shape. Isn't this wonderful? So he's done with the right brow, but you realize my hairstyle, it covers part of my brow, so he had to clip the hair. in the comment section what you think about it. After here, I'm going to show you how the brows and the lashes and everything that I did on my face look like. Now to the moment of truth. What do you guys think about it? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Right now it's now drying up, so I'd have to let it dry. After drying, then I wash it, then we get the shape out very clear and defined. Guys, so this is the $1 brow tinting that I did in Abidjan, and the lashes I fixed in Abidjan. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just $1 right here in Abidjan. Yay, so admire, girl. So this is the outfit of the day. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you again in another video.